Good morning, 早上好. Do you like Chinese characters? Do you like learning Chinese characters? I'm sure you do. Maybe you don't. And for many Chinese learning beginners, they have trouble to understand the difference between the characters. They look so similar, but actually they are so different. And they have different meanings, even if they have similar shape. Sometimes, even the length of the line, it changes the meaning. But don't worry, today I'm going to teach you 8 groups of characters. They look so similar, but they have different meanings. Okay, the first group is 图 and 是. Okay, so the up line is shorter than the second line. This is 图, means dirt, 图. And this character is 是. The up line is longer than the second line, the underline. This is 是, okay? 图是 Okay, 是 means like 士兵 means soldier. Okay, remember? 图 this is 是 okay? The difference is just the lines, the length of the lines. Okay, and the second group is 八入人. 八 means 8. Okay, the left falling stroke and the right falling stroke, they're separate. Okay, you cannot when you write them, you have to write them separately. This is 八. Okay, 八. And if the right falling stroke is longer than the left falling stroke, and then they stick to each other, it's 入. 入 means enter. This is 入. And if you write these two stroke like separately, they are 八. 八 means 8. Okay. And 入 means enter. Oh, well, this is kind of opposite, right? If the left falling stroke is longer, it's on the top. It's kind of like on the top, right? On the top of the right falling stroke. This is 人 means people or person. Okay. Let's read these 3 characters one more time. Write separately as 八, and the right falling stroke is longer. It's on the top. It's 入 enter, and its opposite is 人. 八入人. Okay, next group is more and way. This is very interesting. Why? Even the meaning, they are kind of opposite. More means the end. 未 means like the future things, like 未来, like future. Okay, they have totally different pronunciations, and the difference between them is similar like 图 and 是. Just the length of the line. Okay, the up line is longer than the down line. This is more. If it's opposite, it's 未means the future. This means the end. More 未. Okay, next one, it means the sun is 日. Okay, so if this shape is kind of like the tall, is 日, but if it's like a square, it's 约. It means to speak. 约. Maybe it's really rare to see this character, but if you like a Chinese poem, and you will see this character a lot, because it's like the older way to say speak, older way to say 说 speak. We say 约. Okay, 约 means to speak, to say, but it's a very old way to say. Okay, 约. So different, right? This is kind of like tall. The short one is 约. Okay. And then next group. 利刀刃利刀刃 What's the difference between them? Okay, here. The left falling stroke, it's out of this line, it's 力. 力 means the strength or power. 力. Okay. If we start this part, which means the left falling stroke, it's like this. Attach it, not out of this line, means 刀. 刀 means the knife, to cut something. And then on the left part of 刀, if you add a dot, it means 刃 blade 刃. So actually they are similar. The shape of the characters, they are similar. And also the meaning, they are kind of like the relative, right? This is the knife, this is blade. Okay. And next one, 广 长 The difference between them is just one dot. Okay. 广 means very 广 means wide or broad with this dot. Okay, and without dot is 长 means factory. So 广 长. The difference is only this part. Be careful. Okay. Next group is 大 Tien. The difference between them is just with the upper line or not. Okay. So this is Tien. This is 大. 大 means big. Tien means sky. 大 Tien. Okay. Big but with one line up is Tien. Okay. Okay, let's see the next group. 大 Tien 夫 They're so similar, right? 大 means big. Tien means the sky. Fu means the man. So the difference between them, you can see the difference between Tien and 大 is just here, the up line. And the difference between Tien and Fu is here. Okay, so the right falling stroke is out of the second line or not. If it's out of this, means the man or husband, Fu. Okay, be careful. 大 Tien Fu. Next one is 一 and 叉. The difference between them is here. Either it's closed or not. It's open or closed. If there's a closed line here, it's 叉 means fork. And 一 means richness. So there's totally different meaning just because the difference here just this. Okay, be careful. So they're so similar. So how can we remember them faster? Okay. Basically, I suggest you to write many times, rather than like repeat again and again. And then you can also write this character without the pinyin to test yourself. It's a good way to remember Chinese characters. So you can make some like the Chinese characters cards for yourself. So the opposite part you can write the pinyin, and here you can write the character to test yourself. And I will try my best to pick up more similar Chinese characters to help you learn Chinese characters easily. So stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching my videos today. And if you know any like the similar characters group, please leave your comments. Okay, thank you for watching today. I will see you tomorrow. But before I say goodbye to you, I want to read them one more time. Okay. 土是八入 入，人，人，墨，墨，位，位，日，日，约，约，力，力，刀，刀，刃，刃，广，广，长，长，大，大，天，天，夫，夫，义，义，叉，叉。Okay, thank you for watching today. I will see you next time. Bye bye, 再见。